How to fix Chrome automatically open unknown website in Android. So if you want to fix the Chrome automatically open unknown website in Android, then first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now you need to open up your Chrome browser. Once you open up your Chrome, now if you open it up, then if it simply takes you to an unknown website like this, then what you need to do is this is your previous website, like you've opened this last time. So to go with a new tab, you can simply go with the upper left, which has that home icon. Tap on home and it will take you to the new kind of interface. But if it's not the case, then what you need to do is go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then go with delete browsing data and go with delete data. Once you've deleted your data, then your problem might be fixed. Your last 15 minutes has been deleted. But if you want to delete the all time, then you can simply go with the upper right again and go with settings or go with delete browsing data, and you can simply go with the all time and go with delete data, and again go with the upper right, which has that tabs, and here you will find all of the tabs and you can delete all of the tabs. So in this way you'll be able to fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix, then again simply tap and hold on to your Chrome, go with app info, scroll down, go with cache and storage, go with clear cache and go with clear storage, and tap on clear all data or free up space, go with OK. And once you've done all of these, you can simply go and restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. You can open up your Chrome browser, and here you can see that it doesn't open the unknown website now. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.